What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy Geek from Hong Kong. So here's the best phone ever built on the face of the planet Earth, the Huawei Honor Note 10. So here are the 15 awesome features I literally love. The number 15 feature is an app. Go to tools, go to where is the app mirror. Literally I love to use this app a lot, I mean just for looking at myself. And number 14 is the navigation dock. As you can see, this is a full screen phone, but sometimes you wanna go back. If I wanna go back, I just need to pull up the back menu, or you can easily use a navigation dock. Now let me open the browser. Now it's become full screen, right? If I wanna go to desktop, I just press and hold this circle, and now I'm back at the home screen. Let me turn off the navigation dock. And number 13 is the fast dual band Wi-Fi. Okay, let me do the speed test again. I'm literally dual band. If you like to play MMO online games, if you love to download, if you love to watch 4K video stream, something like that, then this is a phone to get. Literally this is the phone which you should get. I mean, you can see by yourself. And number 11 is the number 12 I'm sorry number 12 is the camera button. I mean, as you can see, if I want to capture the Aladdin, I mean, can you see? Okay, I mean, can you see the Aladdin? Can you see? Maybe Aladdin fall down. Can you see Aladdin? If I want to capture this one, let me turn on the AI mode. Okay, I can capture like this, or you see I'm not touching any. I can use the turbo button, which is a camera button. To be honest with you, this is a camera button first, then turbo button. I mean, amazing. And number 10 is the screen recorder. I mean, literally, okay, let me turn on the screen recorder. Drop down the navigation menu, click the screen recorder on. If when I use the microphone system or none, just click microphone. Now you see I'm recording the video. Literally the screen recorder is on. I mean, that's simple. And number 9 is the eyes comfort. If I like reading a lot, I can just turn on the eyes comfort mode on. Now you see the eyes comfort mode is on. Literally the eyes comfort mode is on for web browsing, but I like to turn it off. And now let's jump to the number 8. Yes, the number 8. This is the best glass phone ever. Literally the best glass phone ever. I'm not joking. I'm not like, I mean, let me show you. Yeah, now more light is coming. This is the best glass phone ever built on the planet Earth. I mean, wow. I mean, let me give a wipe. Oh, okay, let me grab the microfiber cloth. I mean, can we see? I mean, look at the beauty of this phone. I mean, the best glass phone ever. And number 7 is the dual camera. The only thing I wish there was like more space so I can easily clean, because the dust get easily inside. So yeah, the dual camera, this is the best AI camera ever I use. Literally I love it. And number 6 is the ultra battery saver. Yes, the ultra battery saver. Let me unlock with my fingerprint scanner. Okay, the ultra battery saver. Go to the setting. Once we are at the setting, let me go to the battery. Yes, to the battery. I can turn the ultra battery saver enable. Now I can use this phone for easily for 4 days. Literally 4 days for message call. I mean, for my mate. For example, if I'm traveling a lot, I need to attend some call. Yeah, this is how I use. So now the number 5 is the phone manager. Just go to phone manager. It optimizes clean up. I mean, I just click optimize. This is one of the best cleaner phone on optimize. I mean, clean the RAM, everything I see. Wow, I love it. And number 4, which I use on regular basis, is Huawei Health. I mean, for example, here's the lock screen. You see, I walk 1,535 steps today. Okay, as you can hear, you can see it. I mean, literally, I love it. There's so much in it. And number 3 is the turbo button. Again, the same camera button is used for turbo button. I mean, you know, add the games in the games. Where is this called? Game center. Not the game center, game suite. Yeah, I mean, you just press the turbo button. It will say Bayanara. Okay, here we go. You add the games here. Press the turbo button. Bayanara. Your game is now on maybe I don't know what to say, like on steroid or something like that. And number 2 is the 4K selfie camera, literally 4K selfie camera. I mean, let me switch the camera. Okay, first you want to use the selfie camera, make sure to turn off the beautification mode in video size. As you can see, it's 4K. And number 1, the best ever AMOLED I have seen. This is the best AMOLED, best AMOLED. Can you see? I mean, the best AMOLED ever I have used on a phone. Let me show you some more wallpaper. Yeah, maybe something, let me show you like this. I mean, okay, not this one, maybe something like, yeah, I mean, look at the wallpaper. I mean, this is the best AMOLED I have ever used. So it was me, Geek. Make sure to check out the link in the description box below. These were the 50 awesome features of the Huawei Honor Note 10. Bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي